One of my favorite exercises to do, especially if you're over 40 or if you're over 50 or over 60, we got to protect the knee, is the reverse lunge. I love the reverse lunges. They get a bad rap though. Everyone's scared of them. I don't know why. There's nothing to be scared of. The reverse lunge, it's such a great exercise because you're loading the glute, you're loading the hamstring, you're loading the calves, rather than if I go into a forward lunge, now I'm getting my knees more involved. There's a little more load on the knee. If I go backwards, hardly any load. I mean, there's hardly anything. I don't feel any tension in my knees. If I struggle with balance, I can hold on to a wall. I can grab on the wall. I can go back into it. Look at this. I can go as far back as I want, or I can take it a little bit shorter, and I can go down and touch my knee. Look at that. Shorten the distance. If I want to go to the kettlebell, there's so many different ways that you can hold the kettlebell. You can hold it by the side. You can go back into a tactical lunge. This creates a little more balance and stability. So here, I'm working on my balance. I can hold it out to the side. I can switch sides, just like that. I can also bring it up into a goblet hold, really activate my core and my abs as I go back into it. There's so many different ways to do a reverse lunge. Don't ever cut it out because we got to bulletproof the knees. We want to have strong knees as we age. We want to get strong. We want to feel strong. Hamstrings, glutes. Man, there's so many different things that you can do. Little plyo into that reverse lunge. Don't skip the reverse lunge. Put it in your programming. If you have any questions, drop a comment.